Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys color inversion mode guys. How can we disable it? As you want to disable guys your phone guys this color setting, as you can see guys, your icon color is each and everything is different in your phone. Like how can you disable guys this colors setting in your Samsung phone device? So when we call it color inversion. So how to disable color inversion mode in Samsung phone today guys? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it, and once you can see this tab setting, then click on guys your phone accessibility. Then guys click on visibility, and once you can see color inversion, guys tap here to disable it. After disable guys your background will light and get this dark mode will off automatic, and once you can see screen color will normal. So we can use our screen without any screen color problem. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable color inversion mode in Samsung phone device. So bye guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic guys.